Hi, in this video I want to show you how to use the spin button to display options, text options. So to get to a spin button, to insert it, you got to have the developer tab. It's under the developer tab with these developer tools. To get the developer tab, if you don't have it, in Mac you can go to Excel, Preferences, and in Windows you can go to File and Excel options. Choose ribbon and toolbar, and then under main tabs make sure you have the developer tab clicked and press save. So when you get here, this is a little different in Windows. There would be there should be an insert drop down and you'll find all the buttons within that list. In Mac, you just have the spin button right here. I can just click right into the worksheet to drop that in. And so my goal is I want to set this cell up to show either a 1, 2, or 3 and allow myself to go back and forth from 1 to 2 or 3. And then eventually I'm going to hide this cell. And then depending on what number I'm on, I want to make some text appear. So I want to format this to this cell. There we go. And then increment 1, perfect. Max value, we can go up to 3000, but I just want to go up to 3. Minimum value 1. Okay, so that's all the settings that I need. I'm going to click off that. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I need to come up with my options. I'm going to make it this cell right here. I'm going to give it a little bit of formatting. Okay, so now I need a formula. So I'm going to use an if formula. And then if it's either a 1, 2, or 3, then I'm going to display a text for each one of those different conditions. So equals if this cell is 1. Well, you know what? I think I can use the ifs. Yeah, I can use the ifs function. I can do several different tests. So test 1. So if this cell equals 1, yes. We'll just make it real simple. Oh, well, make sure you put quotes around your text. So for 1 it's going to be yes. Logical condition 2, if this cell equals 2, logical or value if true. Value if the second logical condition is true. So I'm going to use no. Almost forgot my quotes again. And then for test 3, if this equals 3, then the value if true, we're going to put maybe. And that will end. So I actually was going to use a series of if statements, but the ifs statement works a lot better because you can use multiple criteria. So that should be it. I should be able to enter. Right now it's a 2, so it says no. I want to clean this up just a little bit. Alright, and then normally I would just hide this number under the button so it's not visible, or use formatting to clear it out, or to change the text color to white so it can't be seen. So there, now you can change. Sometimes it's better than a drop down. If you don't have that many choices, because, for only selecting like a binomial choice like yes or no, why do you need a whole drop down when you can just have a button to go up or down? So that's one of many ways that you can actually have text show up. But yeah, for a simple form, if you need to go yes, no, maybe, it might be a little bit easier filling out the form rather than using a drop down menu or a list box.